What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Rush 360 challenge. Let's go. There you have it, guys. That is the Rush 360 challenge. It's not impossible, you just see me do it, but I want to do this as a kind of worldwide challenge. Something similar to what we did kind of like a year ago. Damn, I'm out of breath. Whew. I want to make a really big upload and share a video of everyone doing this. And I want you guys to also post kind of your bloopers, or you slapped yourself, we got it wrong, we got really close to the ending. So I'll just put this video on Instagram today. Anyone who's getting involved will post their clips there. Use hashtag Rush360 challenge. Also tag my profile at Rush Athletics. But if you guys are not on Instagram, only on Facebook for example, post your videos there or send it to my email, which is rushathleticsuk@gmail.com. It really takes, well, bloody hell, man. All you need to do is what I've just shown there, is try and do a 360 turn continuously, so without stopping, crossovers, and you can use whatever footstep you want. So there, I was using the boxer step, but you can do it as a run cross, you can do it as a kind of just double bounce, just usual kind of crossover, however you do your crossovers. I'll leave it up to you guys, but I really feel this is a really cool challenge. It's kind of weird because it looks easy, and I know it looks easy, but I guarantee you won't get it in the first try. And if you do,
why the fuck you lying?
I don't know how you're gonna prove it, but just if you do, just let me know down below if you get it in the first go. And if you are getting involved, guys, just comment down below. Send me your videos. I'm gonna make a really big compilation by the end of the year. And the best videos or the funniest videos will get kind of prizes. We've got new merch coming in January, so you'll be first to kind of cop that. We'll send it all out for free, and you will get featured on my Instagram, on my Facebook, all of my social media platforms, and of course YouTube when I put the full grand video out. It's been a long time since I did a really big challenge, but I want you, my community, my cool friends and family, just to get involved and yeah, just again help build this incredible movement and get more and more people involved and get more and more people just flying with us. Just yeah, I'm enjoying what's happening right now, guys, on YouTube, and I'm enjoying everything else that's going on behind the scenes. We're working really hard, and I want to again thank you for our recent launch, our Create Your Legacy launch. These hoodies are going fast, so if you haven't already, please go down to my website, www.rushathletics.co.uk, cop it, because it will be gone, and in January we're bringing out our spring merch. So yeah, it's all happening, guys. I'm going to keep it there, short and sweet. Love you all as usual, so without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace. Nearly. That was close. That was close. As for the next challenge, I need to practice.